Hi everyone, my name is Cheryl Coco and I'm so excited to introduce you to Nowsite. I'd like to get started by telling you a bit about our history as a company. Nowsite is based in downtown Toronto, Canada with 50 employees, 20 full-time software engineers, and 25,000 customers in 130 countries. In our first 3 years, we have grown by more than 100% every year, and we expect to do the same in 2020. This is our founder and CEO, Justin Belobaba. Justin graduated magna cum laude in economics from Harvard University, and he has been building tech companies ever since. He started a medical software company right out of school, which was named fastest growing company in Canada, and then took that company public in 2007. He was named Young Entrepreneur of the Year in 2010. Then he started his second tech business, which was a chain of 100 virtual health clinics. He sold that to a private equity group in 2016 and founded Nowsite in early 2017. I'd like to share with you our vision for Nowsite because we believe that we can have a huge positive impact on millions of people around the world. And this vision is what inspires us every day. Long, long ago, when a buyer wanted a product, the buyer would have to drive to a place called a store to purchase a product from a seller. Seems like long ago, doesn't it? Thankfully, those dark days are over. Today, there is a worldwide online marketplace for millions of products. You've probably heard of it. It's called Amazon. Buyers go to Amazon.com to buy products, and sellers go to Amazon to sell products. Sometimes buyers want additional benefits and savings. So Amazon created a monthly subscription called Prime, and members get movies, music, free shipping, and more. Just like buyers, sometimes sellers also want benefits and savings. So Amazon created a monthly subscription called Amazon Professional Sellers. There is obviously much more to Amazon's super complex business model, but this is a pretty good high-level view of how it works. And that model works extremely well for Amazon and many other companies. In fact, these days, almost everything you can think of can be bought online. Food, clothing, movies, games, music, dating, friendships, banking, news, sports, tickets, restaurants, and literally millions of other products. But not everything can be bought online. To this day, if a buyer wants an expert service, the buyer would still have to get in the car and drive to an expert's place of business. This is not a small problem. Expert services is a worldwide multi-trillion-dollar market that includes financial planning, home renovation, investing, psychology, tutoring, marketing, real estate, small business, and millions of other categories. And today, nearly all of these services are being provided entirely offline. But now, especially in the last 4 months, the world has fundamentally and permanently changed. Buyers today are totally comfortable working and socializing and doing pretty much everything on video conference. And experts, unfortunately, have no one coming to their business. These are huge global trends, and they aren't going away. That's why we believe that it's finally time for expert services to go online. And so it's our goal to create the first worldwide online marketplace for expert services. But it's not called Amazon.com. It's called Nowsite. Just like Amazon, Nowsite has buyers, but they're not buying products. They're buying expertise. Nowsite also has sellers, but they're not selling products. They're selling expertise. Nowsite buyers, just like on Amazon, want benefits and they want savings. And we have a monthly subscription for buyers. It's called Nowsite Life. Our sellers of expertise also want benefits and savings. So we have a subscription for them as well. It's called Nowsite Marketing. And now you can see the complete business model we are building. Starting with Nowsite Life, This is a B2C, meaning business to consumer product. That means it has mass appeal. Everyone can use it. It is a life goal achievement platform in which you get assigned a team of dedicated, certified experts available to you over chat on a daily basis and over video conference to help you achieve your goals. You also receive inspirational content, the support of a community focused on the same goals as you, and a platform to create your customized vision board and create daily personal accountability to achieving your goals, plus many more benefits and savings to come in the future. This is the buyer side monthly subscription, and here's a short video to show you Nowsite Life in action. On the seller side, we have Nowsite Marketing. This is a B2B product. That's business to business. We already have 25,000 small business owners on the marketing platform. It's an automated online marketing platform which includes our proprietary 3-click marketing process and an AI-powered website, blog, SEO, email marketing, content marketing, CRM, analytics, online ads, retargeting, social media marketing, plus our powerful new Teams feature set with more benefits and savings to come. Let me show you quickly how it works. So Nowsite Life and Nowsite Marketing are our 2 monthly subscriptions, one for buyers and one for sellers. But remember, and let's go back to the Amazon example, if I want to buy something on Amazon, I don't have to be a Prime subscriber. And if I want to sell something on Amazon, I don't have to be an Amazon professional seller subscriber. I can buy and sell on Amazon without a monthly subscription. Same thing on Nowsite. Starting in January at our official launch, we will allow buyers to go to Nowsite and sign up for free. What that means is that our affiliates will be able to invite everyone they know, and you will earn on everything that they ever spend. Similarly, in January, sellers will also be able to sign up for free. That means that our affiliates can invite everyone they know, and they will earn on everything that they ever sell, or when they decide to purchase a marketing subscription. This is the first online marketplace for experts. Now, this is not only for professionally certified accountants and lawyers and doctors. Our belief is that everyone is an expert in something. On this platform, you will be able to set your price and sell your expertise to the world. This is a new type of business model for solopreneurs. If Uber allows you to monetize or make money from your car, and Airbnb allows you to monetize your apartment, Nowsite is the first platform that allows you to monetize your knowledge, your experience, and your expertise, and sell it to a worldwide audience. You can think of us as the Amazon of experts, or the Uber of experts, or you can just call us Nowsite. The affiliate opportunity is almost unimaginably large. This is not just B2C. This is not just B2B. This is both. And you are able to earn by enrolling both buyers and sellers. And in January, when we introduce free enrollment, that's going to lead to incredible viral sharing. And we will be in a position to capitalize on a worldwide trillion-dollar market. Nowsite compensation is based on a business volume structure. Dollar amounts correspond to BB points throughout the plan. Our marketing plan is $87 at the entrepreneur level and is 35 BB. $167 for our small business marketing plan, and that is 67 BB. $327 for our marketing agency plan, and that is 130 BB. Our Life Gold plan is just $87 and is 35 BB. This is a binary hybrid compensation plan with 8 ways to earn. Our first way is with our 100 Club. Our second way is with our Quick Start bonus. Our third way is with our leadership bonus. Our fourth way is through our binary residual. Our fifth through our marketing residual. Our sixth way is through a rank advancement bonus. Our seventh is through check match. And our eighth way to earn is through our global pool. To be eligible for the Quick Start bonus, you must be a customer in the product sold. And for all other compensation opportunities, you also need 3 active personal signups. That can be in any combination of products. The first way that you can earn with us here at Nowsite is by being a part of the 100 Club. If your personal sales of a product generate 100 BV per month, you earn $100 in monthly residual income. When you achieve 100 BB in life, you earn $100 per month. When you achieve 100 BB in marketing, you earn $100 per month. You can earn from either one of our incredible products, or you can earn from both. The second way to earn with us is through our Quick Start bonus. You earn $40 on every new customer you personally enroll. That's $40 every single time you enroll a new customer. Your first, second, third, even your 50th or 100th customer. These instant upfront bonuses can really add up. The third way to earn is through our leadership bonus. You earn $5 on all new customers in your enrollment tree if you are the nearest platinum rank or higher. You earn an additional $2 if you are the nearest at Ruby or higher. If you are nearest platinum and Ruby, you earn $7 for every new customer in your enrollment tree. As long as you are the nearest in the enrollment tree at the rank of platinum or Ruby, you will earn every time someone signs a new customer. The fourth way to earn here at Nowsite is through our binary plan. The binary is based on 2 sales teams, and all volume from Life product subscribers goes into the binary. When you earn 150 BV on your left side sales team, plus 150 BV on your right side sales team, you earn a $20 cycle bonus, and this can happen over and over again, up to 50,000 times per week. The fifth way to earn is through our marketing residual income opportunity. You can earn an ongoing residual income from all of the marketing volume in the first 2 levels in your enrollment tree. For example, when your levels 1 and 2 generate 400 BV, you will earn $400 per month. When your level 1 and 2 BV reaches 1,000, you earn $1,000 per month. There is no cap on the earnings that you can achieve. So as you continue to accumulate BB at each level, your monthly income will go higher and higher. The 6th way to earn is through our rank advancement bonus. We reward you for helping others achieve their goals. For example, when you help 2 of your personal enrollees achieve $100 in any residual portion of the compensation plan, the 100 Club, the binary, or the marketing residual, you achieve the rank of bronze and get a one-time bonus of $200. Then when you help 4 of your personal enrollees earn $100, you achieve the rank of silver and you will receive a $400 bonus. The more successful your enrollees become, the higher your rank and the bigger the bonuses, all the way to a $200,000 bonus. The seventh way to earn with Nowsite is through our powerful check match opportunity. Through the check match, you can receive a large percentage of the residual earnings at each level in your enrollment tree. For example, when you achieve the rank of silver by helping 4 personal enrollees earn $100, you earn a 15% check match on your level 1 enrollees. The more you help your enrollees achieve their goals, the more your rank will increase. And when it does, you will receive larger percentages at more and more levels in your enrollment tree. For many leaders, the check match can quickly become the most lucrative component of their overall compensation. The eighth way to earn is through our global bonus pool. You can earn a percentage of Nowsite's total worldwide BB based on your rank. The details of this opportunity will be shared at our official launch in January, but you can get started early by increasing your rank today, and you'll be well positioned for the global bonus pool in 2021. Let's take a moment to review the 8 ways to earn with us here at Nowsite. The 100 Club is a $100 to $200 residual income opportunity and is paid monthly. The Quick Start bonus is a $40 one-time bonus for signing customers and is paid weekly. The Leadership bonus is a $5 or $2 bonus on new customers and is paid weekly. The Binary Residual pays weekly based on sales of life subscriptions. The Marketing Residual is based on your first and second level marketing subscription sales and is paid monthly. The Rank Advancement bonus are one-time payments that are paid monthly when your rank increases. The Check Match is a residual income opportunity and is paid monthly based on your rank. And the Global Pool is paid annually. The time is now to get started with Nowsite. You have an opportunity to pre-register for the new life service right now and lock in your position with the most innovative, exciting, and lucrative technology opportunity in the world. Then on September 1st, the pre-launch begins, and we will begin delivering the amazing new life service. And in January 2021, we can't wait for the official launch of Nowsite Expert Marketplace, where you will be able to sign up buyers and sellers for free and earn every time they buy or sell their expertise. With Nowsite, the time to get started is now. Thank you for watching the presentation. Please get back to the person that invited you so you can get started today.